Hey guys, welcome back. Here is another video for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 in series of custom ROM. I am going to review Android 12 Beta 2.1 release. This update is very stable and very smooth, much better than last update because all maximum bugs are removed in this update. You can check here. It is Android S version with Zone security update in which Nike kernel is used. This update is very special because the sound bug and Gasker bug and also Bluetooth audio bug is removed. You can use all three options without any problem, and also the stability and the smoothness of this ROM is very good. You will have a great experience while using this ROM. You must try this. You can check here. In case of network and connect, nothing is changed, all things are same. You will not have by default video calling or Wi-Fi calling. Also in case of apps, you can check some security option, also default app and permission setting. You can customize those options. And in case of if I talk about notification and privacy and storage cap is generally same. And in case of battery, the battery backup of this ROM is good. And you can check here the interface for battery usage is quite different from last another updates and Android 11 updates. You can check here battery saving mode and battery percentage is perfectly working. Also adaptive charging is working. So in this update you will not have much issue. You can use this update because it is stable and good for normal usage. Also in case of sound, the sound bug which was present last time, it is not now. You can check here the media volume is working perfectly. Also like one more thing here, if you take in recent apps, still the video is running, the music you can hear. Also the sound in Bluetooth audio is also good. It will have no any problem. If I talk about display setting, you can check here lock screen and direct dark theme and night light mode are working perfectly. If I talk about double tap to sleep option, it is working only on double tap to wake on lock screen, but it is not working on anywhere like double tap to sleep on home screen, and double tap to sleep on lock screen is also not working. Also in case of accessibility and security, if I talk about display setting, more options are given here. And if I talk about security, no face cam is provided, but you can use screen lock and fingerprint lock without any problem. There will be not much delay in unlocking by a fingerprint, so you can use this option. And in case of security and privacy, some other options are also given. If I talk about Genpark, it is also added. It was not present in last update and it is working fine. You will not have any issue for your Genpark in this update. Also in case of system, Gasker's navigation are working perfectly. In last update it was not working, so you can use this option also in this update. It means this update is very good and you can use this update. It is very suitable. If I talk about Pixel Launcher, you can check here some settings which are normal present in Pixel Launcher. And if I talk about the device certification in Play Store, you can see here device is not certified. It was also present in last time, so no change in this. Also in case of SafetyNet Cache and Geekbench score, not much changes are there. You can see here the Geekbench score for this update 2.1 beta release. You can check here it is 324 and 1309. And also in case of Nekiru check, you can check here Ganges prop is a problem and by default this is Rocky ROM. If another I talk about here the SafetyNet Cache, it is also failed. The CKS profile match and basic is an issue here. So this is the issue I found, and also it was present in last time. If I talk about banking apps, Yono SBI is working perfectly. Also all other Paytm app like PhonePe and Google Pay also working, but in case of HDFC Net Banking is not working. You can check here it is not working. If I talk about calling quality, the calling quality is very good in this ROM. You will not have any problem. So in case of sound which was present in last update is not now. You can also check here the notification access about who is the app using about your microphone and camera. This is the feature I like about A12 because it is gonna be super cool when its cable update will come in nearby future. So we have to wait for more cable option. Also Dolby sound is very good in this update. It was I think present in last update also, but I have seen it now only. And also Google Assistant is working perfectly. You will not have any issue to use Google Assistant in this update, so it is working perfectly. Also if I talk about Google camera or any other camera, by default there will be no camera, and if I use any Gcam it is not working. So this is the bug I found in this ROM, but you can use open camera which is working very good, so you can use Gacking without any problem. So these are the some issues I found in this ROM, and also if I talk about the stability and smoothness of this ROM, and also quick tiles just looking very cool. You can customize this option, like you can add or remove some options here. And if I talk about it's working, you can check it's working perfectly in work color and dark theme and night like mode. All are working perfectly. Also the extra game option is very good. You can use this option without any problem. So these are some options which are very good in this ROM. So this ROM is very stable and very smooth. You must use this ROM if you want to experience the एक value look of new beta release 4.1, because no bugs are here which may cause much problems. You can use this ROM. If I talk about some another option, you can check here. The power button is very good, and also the sound bar is very cool. You can use these options, so it is very cool. एक value will be very good when it will be updated very soon. So let us wait for its final update. And if I talk about its launching, also it is very good. And if I talk about its installing process, so you can use GACE caps to successfully install Aquelove in your device Max Pro M2. So follow GACE cap. You just need to use any A11 vendor for installing this ROM, and you can follow GACE cap. First of all, we need to go to KWRP and flash any A11 ROM. I will prefer to install Pixel Experience ROM because it is very good for A12 experience. So just install the A12 A11 ROM firstly, like Pixel Experience, and then just wipe out everything except the vendor. You can check here. You need to wipe everything except the vendor. So also swipe to wipe this option, you need to flash your ROM which you have downloaded from the link given in description. You just flash the A12 ROM from here, and some steps are given. You just need to click yes and yes, and after that you will revoke to your phone and you will enjoy the A12. So this is the video for Koget. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's make in next video. Thanks for watching.